done with stuff that I've always done. That's how you get a song like that. I've never had, I hate to call it a rock song, but I've never had guitars layered like that in any song of mine, like where they're just intrusive, like downright hurt when you like. I was almost listening to the final mix recording. I'm like, should we turn those down a little bit? And Manny was like, no, we should. Their ears should bleed. I'm like, well, respectfully, I don't. We're gonna play a little game of what song do you think this is? This is track 3.
What's the song?
So notice how these so they start on the E flat and then go up the minor, the actually major second. On top of melodies. What else do we have here? We have more guitars. I went crazy on this. We have more guitars. By the way, before I do that, this is the one that saved the entire song. That's when I made the little TikTok. Whatever. There's something missing. There was something missing.
A random sound.
I'm gonna give y'all the tea right now. Oh my God. The light switch sound that I made in the TikTok wasn't actually. I'm sorry. It didn't sound as good. I'll never tell you where I actually got the real light switch sound from. The outrage, there it is. Thank you. I'm sorry for lying. I will never do it again. Everybody knows this, but should I play it for just the old... This is the song that really started it all. Oh, that's hilarious.